Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits, the channel that reviews trading platforms, trading strategies, and other money-making platforms and softwares, crypto and everything else. But I get a lot of people asking me about trading strategies. I get a lot of people asking me about IQ option. Now, I can't trade binary on IQ option anymore, being here in Europe, but I know that some other countries you can. So what I thought I'd do is, as I get a lot of people asking me from other countries, is that I would show you some of my previous strategies, re-upload them, and maybe it might benefit you, maybe not. I mean, this isn't investment advice. I'm not telling you how to trade, but it's just some of the strategies that I used, I still use, but obviously not on IQ. So if it helps, then hopefully it does. Like I said, it's not investment advice. Obviously do your own research and everything else, but maybe it will help. So have a little look and see if it does help. So here's a little video where I made a few quid in 90 seconds. So I hope you enjoy it.
Strategy. As you know, I look for an asset that's got a general direction. So you can see here, even though there's a spike there, there's a dip there, spike there, dip there, the general direction is on its way down. Okay, so you can see that it's on its way down. If you look at, say, this one's got a higher percentage rate, but you can see it's a little bit all over the place. It's down, it's up for a bit, it's down, it's up, down here and up. So it's sort of in the middle. So you need to, I wouldn't really trade on something like that. I like to see a general direction like that where you can see a slope. Now then, I check out the 30-day view. Right, let's see what's happening. Let's go to the 2-minute view. So basically, it's got a downwards direction, and I'm waiting for that to spike up. Here would have been good, or here you got a little spike up, and then place a put trade. Same if it's going up. General direction's going up, and you see a little spike down. Put a call trade. That's how I work. Now, I'm not telling people to do it this way. This is just how I do it, and for me it works. Let's just check that overall direction again. Yep, still on its way down. Let's wait for a little spike and make some money. Money, make money. Bang. Oh, missed it. See, just take advantage of these spikes. It spiked up and wait for it to go back down, but it's carried on spiking. Come on. The ideal thing, what you're waiting for is that little spike like that. I see it kept going up, so place another one. Boom! So basically what I've done here, it's going down. We've seen it's going down, okay? So you've seen it's on a general downward direction, and then it shot up here, so I've thought there's an opportunity. Bang, place a trade. It's shot up again, so I've thought, yep, another opportunity. And it's carried on shooting up, so I've placed that. I mean, it is risky, but it's kept going up. Should have been a shame I didn't get a little cheeky one on the top there, on the pinnacle, and then it's on its way back down. So you've seen the general direction of it is on a downward, and then I've gone into the 2 minutes, seen it shoot up, and then taken advantage of it. That's all I do, plain and simple.
So there you have it. I hope that helps. As I say, I can no longer trade like this on IQ options. Still could do crypto and other things like that, but not this way, which I used to really find exciting. But I hope it helps. I'm going to leave the link below for IQ Option if you haven't already tried it. Also, other platforms and softwares that are working very well for me at the moment. All the links are below. If you've got any comments or anything, email me, the email address above. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you like the reviews. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest on crypto, trading strategies, trading platforms, new softwares that are coming out. And I will be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.